Hey gang, Jesse, EC Auto Repair, and Greg with BG, right? And we are going to talk to you a little bit about our ethanol defender kit. So, Greg, what's the latest news? Let's turn where the BG's to the back of us, right? Yeah, see all that BG product, just amazing product. Tell us about this ethanol. What's going on in the world? What's going on with the government?
So
you
right
got
now,
the answers to the government problems?
I've got no answers for the government. But what I do know is that the EPA has now not enforced, but basically incorporated a E15 into our fuel. So it's gone from 10% up to 15%. Now the problems that we're going to see with ethanol is that it loves water. And in Oklahoma,
it's hygroscopic.
Yes, it is.
Did I say that right? Hygroscopic.
Hygro with a G, yes.
I cannot spell it, but I can say it.
That's
hygroscopic.
Right.
So that means it attracts water.
That's exactly right.
Ethanol is not water, but it attracts water, right?
So, yep, that's right. So what we're having, like right now, we have a cooler day. Well, this weekend it's going to get hotter, so we're going to have condensation build up in your tank. That water is going to start to build at the bottom of your tank, and that ethanol, it attracts that water. And then what happens is that water and the ethanol mix, it homogenizes and separates from the fuel, and that water is heavier than the fuel, so it's going to sit at the bottom where your pump is. So you're going to be getting ethanol and water going through your tank before you do the fuel. So then you're going to have issues, fuel mileage, power performance, a little glugginess, all that. So our kit, what it'll do, it'll homogenize everything, bring that fuel, water, and ethanol mixed together. That way it burns safely out and get you going. And then we have our defender that protects against the bad effects of that.
Can you spell homogenize backwards?
I cannot spell homogenize backwards.
But you can say it pretty well.
I can say it okay.
So we got homogenize and
hygroscopic.
Hygroscopic, right?
That's
okay.
right.
Very good. So yeah, fantastic news. So there's a bill on Trump's desk right now, as of our last information a couple days ago. And what's that bill?
Yeah, so the bill, what's happened is the EPA originally wanted this E15 to be for the first 20 days of May, and that's what it originally was before it even got put into effect. They then stretched it through June, and now it's went all the way through the House up to Trump's desk, and all he's got to do is sign off for a yes on it, and then E15 is a permanent thing. And yes, it'll help with the cost at the pump. But the thing is it's going to cause your maintenance to go up. So having these kits is actually going to help stretch that dollar a little further, because it's going to help defend against those bad effects of ethanol.
Yeah, so the great news is the E15 going to 15% ethanol. It's saving us about 20 or 25 cents a gallon at the pump. That's great news, fantastic news, right? Because we don't want fuel prices to be a gallon or a quarter higher per gallon, right? These kits are relatively cheap. They're about $30 or so. How often do I use this?
So I would put it in each fill up if you can, but that's for a perfect world. But really, honestly, if you can just use it once in a while just to fight against it, because water's not gonna pool in the bottom of your tank overnight. It's gonna be over time.
Yeah.
So just if you're doing it once a month, you're probably in good shape.
Once a month, and bare minimum once every oil change.
Yep.
What we've been doing is we've actually built a road trip package for some folks, so we're actually pouring it in as they're getting ready to leave on a trip, because they're traveling across the country. A lot of different humidity, a lot of different environments, hot days, cold nights, different places of the United States. And also you're buying from different fuel stations than you normally do, so you don't know exactly what you're getting. So it's just great to defend. The great offense is a great defense. So,
that's right.
Greg, thank you for your words of wisdom. Thank you for telling us all about our government and how that works. And we will catch y'all in the next video. And yeah, bonus points. Comment: have you ever heard the word hygroscopic before, or homogenized? Right? Yeah, those I did not learn those in the third grade. So I was about 40-something years old when I first learned those words.
Yeah.
So okay, we'll see y'all later.
All right, thanks guys.
Bye.
Bye.